Hello students, today we begin chapter 2 and main components of chapter 2 are articles, subject matters and its organization and personal letters. So today we will be trying to discuss articles and subject matters in its organizations. Articles is not very vast course, so you don't have to worry much about it. So we will discuss articles in a hurry, and in further we will be discussing about other two topics. So let's see what the book is offering. What is articles basically? Let's discuss that. There are three articles in English. The three articles are a, an, and the. Three articles a, and the. It is further divided into indefinite articles and definite articles. So basically, the a and the is divided into indefinite and definite articles. They are called articles as they have significant roles as part of speech. They form a very important function in our parts of speech. When we speak, articles are the determiners. They form a very strong position when we have to make a part of speech. They are also called determiners as they affect the meaning of noun. There are two types of articles. That is indefinite articles and definite articles. So they determine what kind of meaning the noun is offering. They affect the meaning of the noun. So that is why they are called articles. In indefinite articles we have a and an, and in definite articles we have the. So that is indefinite and definite articles. You should be able to remember it easily that in indefinite it is a and in definite it is the. A and an are called indefinite articles because they are used when we do not speak of any particular person or thing. When we don't speak of any particular person or thing, but if the person, if for example, if we use a particular place like Taj Mahal, we will always use article the because it is a particular place, everybody knows it. If we use in a sentence, if we use Himalayas is a particular place, so we will be using the in it. The will be used as an article. So a and an are called indefinite articles, and the one example would be he bought a shirt. Shirt is not a particular name. Shirt is not a particular object. Shirt is a common object, so we will use he bought a shirt. We will use indefinite article in it. And the is known as the definite article, which we refer to a particular person or thing. So in the same they use the example of particular person or thing. See, next sentence, he is wearing the shirt which he bought yesterday. Now which he bought yesterday makes, when we say which he bought yesterday, it makes it a particular object which was purchased yesterday. So the shirt, from a shirt to it becomes the shirt. So when it is not particular, when there is no definite when there is no particular attachment to it, then we use a, and when there is a or an, and when there is some connection to it, when we see that there is a reason behind it, then for example, when we say he is wearing the shirt which he bought yesterday, it means that the shirt was bought yesterday, he is referring to that particular shirt. So this makes it an indefinite article. So a definite article. So we will be using the. So in common, if it is used, we can say he is wearing a shirt. But if the sentence goes like if he is wearing the shirt which he bought yesterday, the is used because in here it is a particular time and time and object is being used which was purchased yesterday. Now, indefinite article. The indefinite article is a or an. A is used before consonants, before words beginning with the vowel. A is also used before consonants and before words beginning with the vowel. In the table, you can use or you can see use of A before consonants. In the table, there is a box, a book, a child, a chair, a kite, a ray, a rat, and similarly. And A before vowel sounding as U or Wa. When the vowel is sounding as U or Wa, then we again use A instead of an. For example, a European, a utensil, a university, a eulogy. Vowel sounding as U or Wa. Use of an before vowel sound. An is always used when there is a vowel sound to it. An is always used in the vowel. For example, an ass, an orange, an act, an order. And before consonant sounding as vowel. And there is also an used before consonant which are sounding as vowel. And our sounding as, since the H is silent in our, we use an hour. Similarly, an honest man. Because honest H is silent here, so it becomes a vowel. And here. And here is H is as an MA and MSc, because these are the particular results of your examination, as MA and MSc is the degrees that you hold. So similarly, we will read about indefinite articles is used where we are using it, and indefinite article is not used. We will discuss about this in the next class, students. So we stop here today. Have a good day, students.